Rajivan. I'm a retired government servant living in Tamil Nadu for the past 10 years or so. This is my wife Anuradha. She's also retired from the government. She's also living here with me in this house for more than 15 years. As we are growing older, we thought it's good to explore the idea of a lift, and all credit goes to her. She's the one who's been doing the research. But I was lucky to get some forward or some message somewhere regarding the early discount offer, something with Brio. Prior to that, we were looking at other places, and this seemed a decent place to start. As you can see, the lift is up and running.
Brio staff were also very good at their marketing. They told us like 15th August, like if you do something before 15th August, we'll give you a special deal. And so looking at Independence Day, and we also liked the idea. Moreover, the office was pretty close, walking distance actually from our house.
Very key.
So that was also, it helped to make a decision choosing Brio rather than any other company, because they were very responsive. They explained their product very well, and so finally we decided on Brio. We are entirely satisfied, I must say. Totally satisfied with pre, post and all the explanations, etc. Responsiveness. Fully satisfied. We are both very satisfied. Fully satisfied.
Including responsiveness?
Responsiveness was, we called at all times, we were texting. Sometimes our demands were also a little bit unreasonable, probably because we didn't know the technical aspects of the lift, installing a lift. But the Brio team, as well as the civil contractors team, I think that coordination was very crucial. They managed all the difficulties between this coordination and basically delivered a good product that we are now very happy with. I think exceeded our expectations was the very, very prompt responsiveness. Whether our questions were reasonable or unreasonable, we always got a response on time, very quickly, without any attitude or any difficulty, so that we were really happy with.
And that process is worth sustaining. Everybody involved in the team was on the chat and could respond, so it was very good. I know that's a very difficult task because place to place varies, but one good thing is if you can have a civil wing attached to you yourself, so that people like us don't have those coordination issues. And if you have but that may be difficult because that's a different kind of work in different houses, but that would help a lot, especially in old homes like this.
I think here I'd also like to add a little bit. The coordination between the civil team, which includes electrical and plumbing, we actually didn't realize. It was only as you go along in the process that you realize many problems in an existing building. We are talking in the context of an old building which is not designed for a lift. Now you want to retrofit and install a lift at home. So that can create complications which you can't fully anticipate right from the start. So there I think not just Brio but any lift company should actually coordinate better, more closely, so that the designing is done very perfectly and there are no, like, later on you shouldn't feel this could have been done this way, or we shouldn't have broken this down. Work has to be redone, or a wiring or the plumbing has to be changed. So to minimize that, I think, like you say, either an in-house team or
Better design and planning.
very close
that's for going
cooperation.
elsewhere,
That's a future
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
but we were also learning on the job.
So good. Thank you all. Very good. And we're happy that this service after the lift has been installed and commissioned, that we're going to keep this WhatsApp group alive so that if we have any issue, we can call you in case of an emergency. That's a very good feature.
Yes.
Please keep that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Brio, where safety isn't a feature, it's a promise.